Hello, I'm Masaya Nakamura, President of the Japanese Society for Spine Surgery and Related Research, JSSR. It's a profound honor to join the North American Spine Society in celebrating its 40th anniversary. Over 4 decades, NAS has built a remarkable history of advancing spine care worldwide, uniting clinicians, researchers, and educators under a common vision. Recently, we also celebrated the 30th anniversary of the Spine Across the Sea. This program has connected our societies across continents and strengthened the bonds of true collaboration. It reminds us that progress in spine medicine is not achieved by one nation alone, but through shared commitment and mutual learning. At the same time, this year, JSSR has just celebrated its 50th anniversary. From its founding in 1974, JSSR has grown into Japan's largest academic society devoted to the spine, bridging together thousands of members across surgery, research, and allied health. Reaching our 50-year milestone alongside NAS's 40 years give us the opportunity to reflect on our history while envisioning the next generation of spine care. Allow me to highlight several areas that define JSSR's contributions today and our hopes for the future. First, novel biologic therapies. Japan has pioneered chondroitinase, an intradiscal enzyme injection already used clinically for lumbar disc herniation. More recently, MMP7 has emerged as a promising candidate. These therapies fill the gap between conservative management and open surgery, offering patients new hope through less invasive approaches. We anticipate that by 2065, biologic therapeutics will be part of routine practice worldwide. Second, endoscopic spine surgery. Across Asia, endoscopic techniques from unipolar to bipolar have expanded rapidly, providing effective decompression with minimal invasiveness. While still in early adoption in many Western countries, we believe these methods will become recognized as global standards in the coming decades, reducing hospital stays, accelerating recovery, and expanding access to high-quality care. Third, regenerative medicine. Japan was the birthplace of induced pluripotent stem cells. Today, clinical trials for spinal cord injury using iPS-derived neural precursors are already underway, offering patients genuine hope for neurological recovery. In parallel, clinical studies in intervertebral disc regeneration are progressing, aiming not only to relieve symptoms, but to restore spinal structure and function. These advances mark a paradigm shift from treatment by removal or stabilization to treatment by repair and regeneration. Fourth, OPLL, ossification of the posterior longitudinal ligament. This condition disproportionately affecting Asian populations has long been a focus of research in Japan. Through nationwide collaborations, genetic studies, and clinical investigations, we are gradually uncovering its pathogenesis and refining its surgical management. We hope that these efforts will continue to yield insights benefiting patients worldwide and serving as a model for studying population-specific spinal diseases. Finally, the JSSR database. In recent years, our society has established the JSSR database, a nationwide registry that now includes more than 70% of spine surgeries across Japan. This platform has already begun to improve the quality of care, enable risk prediction models, and generate real-world evidence to guide future guidelines. We envisioned that by 2065, such national registries will interconnect globally, creating a continuously learning healthcare system that advances spine care for all. To those who will open this time capsule in the year 2065, we imagine that your daily practice already integrates regenerative therapies, artificial intelligence, and personalized data for each patient. Yet, we sincerely hope that the timeless values of medicine, compassion, integrity, and human connection remain at the center of spine care. On behalf of JSSR, now celebrating our 50th anniversary, I extended our warmest respect to NAS on its 40th anniversary and to colleagues around the world. Together, we share a vision of progress, collaboration, and dedication to future generations. Thank you very much.